Hello and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. My name is Amber and in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play Bad Moon Rising by CCR. The song has 3 simple chords, so it's a really great song to start learning if you are a complete beginner. So if this is something you'd be interested in learning, then go and grab your guitar and let's begin. So we're going to start by learning the verse in the song, and we just need those 3 chords. We need a D major, we need an A major, and we need a G major. I always like to recommend to my beginner students that when they start learning a song to focus on a simplified strumming pattern. Really focus on your chord changes first. Make sure that you can get between those chords really smoothly before you start to complicate things with a strumming pattern. So that is exactly what we are going to be doing in this lesson today. So we're going to start with a D major chord and we're going to play the D for a whole bar, and that's going to be 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to go to A for 2 strums. 1, 2, to the G for 2 strums, 3, 4, and then back to D for 8 strums. So that's for 2 full bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to repeat that again from the beginning of the chord sequence, starting on that D major. Let's do it together. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to A, G, back to D, 2, 3, 4, and again. Here we go. D, change to A, and to G, and to D, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat. To G, back to D, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once you feel really confident with those chord transitions, changing really smoothly between your D to the A to the G, then we can start looking at the strumming pattern. And this is where we're going to be introducing some up strums. So if we take a look at the main strumming pattern that is used in the entire song, it sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So we skip out the count 3 altogether and we don't strum down on beat 3. We're just going to strum on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So the up strums are going to be on the 2 ands that are on either side of the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So just practice that first before moving on to the next section where we're going to be putting that strumming pattern with the chords. So the first chord we know is a D, and that's going to get 1 round of the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. We're then going to go to the A for 2 down strums, to the G for 2 strums, and then back to the D for 2 rounds of the pattern. And that gets repeated throughout the verse. D, D, up, down, up, 2 strums, 2 strums, down, down, up, repeats. D, D, A to G and to D. Let's go one more time. D, D, up, down, up, A, G, G, and D. Good job. So when we move on into the chorus, this is going to be a little bit easier. We're going to be on the G chord for 2 rounds of the strumming pattern. We then go to D for 2 rounds. We have A for 1 round. G for 1 round, and we ended off with a D for 2 rounds. So the chorus is going to sound like this, starting on that G chord. A 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, repeats. Change to D. Repeats. 1 round on A, 1 round on G, and 2 rounds on D. And that is the entire chorus. Let's try the chorus one last time so you can get used to that strumming pattern, and we're going to do it a little bit faster this time. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to our A, and to G, back to D. So now that you know all the parts of this really simple song, it's time to put it together. So join me for a mini playthrough of the song in the next section of this lesson. Here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for tuning in today and for watching this tutorial. If you like what I do over here on YouTube, then please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I also have an amazing guitar program called the Stellar Academy, and you can find all the information to that right below this video. I hope to see you in next week's lesson. Have a really wonderful day. Bye.